to another video. Today we're actually just going to be doing Scratch. But I'm going to be making Paper Minecraft inside of Scratch with barely any knowledge of how to make it. But I've used Scratch for a little bit now, so I should know that, well, a list would do pretty good. There we go. This is gonna be our, let's actually name this, blocks. And each one of them is gonna be a row. So, Sprite 1, you're gonna stay here. I'm gonna delete that. We're gonna actually make blocks for this, but we at least gotta first, make the blocks. So, I'll get back to you once I've made all the blocks. Bye-bye. Well, see ya once I've finished that. Alright, so... let me just... Okay, whatever. Can I not just... Oh, there we go. Yeah, so... This literally looks like the Minecraft... Oh, never mind. Okay, whatever. I'll get back to you once I've made them. Well, it looks like the... Minecraft launcher thing. Yeah, the simplistic one or whatever. I'll get back to you once I've made more. Guys, welcome back. I've added a few I've added a few sprites. I've added some, flowers and things. I just need to now make the script for generating it and putting it into blocks. So, yeah. Let's make that. Now we need to figure out what we're gonna do to make it do that. So, I did get bedrock, so let's make a variable for what would we do for this variable? It would be line. So it's gonna be current line, we're gonna name it. So we're gonna set current line to blank, and we're gonna add set current line to let's set it to 11 for bedrock, and add a backslash for the next character. Let's do a repeat. You need to grab pick random. Oh my fucking god. Why is Steam Link doing this? Why the hell, Steam Link? Tell me why. Well, set this to, let's say, 13 to 43. Let's say the world height limit is going to be 100. Lowest is going to be 0. So, yeah. Let's pick random 13 to 43. Set current line to, join current line with what was stone 4, which that looks to work. I'll have after that, we're going to have to use this to make... After this, we're going to make 2 to, let's say, 5 dirts, which dirt is 3. Now we got 3s at the end. But that's not enough. We also got to add like actual, well, we want to add like, what would it be? Grass. Current line 2 for grass. And then we're also going to want to do a pick random for what's going to be on top of it. If it's going to be a tree or something, like, gotta know. But how am I going to make the tree, like, well, work? Well, let's just do that later. Let's make it so that we can set... We'll need to do it an if else wait, I forgot about grass. Hold on, let me make that really quick. Oh, why did that not? There we go, we got grass. So we're gonna have 3 things. We're gonna have 1, 2, don't want to add a comma to that, and 3. We would also have 4, which would be, well, to do nothing. So put that back there. If we want to set, if we want to make like this, we would want to set it to 10. So we would want to go here to 10. For like the grass, which is 12, go here, 12. After that, we're also going to have to make a tree of some kind. So we're going to make it like 5 blocks up. Have what number was it again? 5? Yeah. So we would make it 5, and then we would want to repeat that like 5 times, and then that, yeah, I want to make this. Let's repeat that twice for leaves, which would be number 6. And let's add in RNG. Take this, switch it to RNG. The RNG to 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1 to 4, and if it's equal to 1, then we would do that. We want to do this, we would do 2. We're going to do this, we're going to do 3. And yeah. Now if I run the script, that's a lot bigger of a number now. So we're going to grab current line, that's the current number. That is going to be only 1 line of a world. Now we're also going to have to add that a whole bunch more times. So we're going to add that to the blocks thing. Oh, I'm adding blocks to blocks. That's not very helpful. Because you gotta clear it too. So add current line to blocks. Yeah, now that's one chunk. Where one line, not chunk. Let's just call them lines. Now we gotta get to rendering this. Steam Link, stop fucking with me right now. So if we want to start rendering it, we gotta, well, move that to the correct spot and then build it. And we also gotta have the y-axis as well for the, well, for what currently it is at. So, how are we gonna do that? Well, we're gonna have to do that a few more times, but let's just skip that. And we should also have an air, which will run whenever there's nothing. Which will, let's just set that to that, and that will be for literally anything else. Let's somehow figure out how to display it. So we're gonna have to somehow read what it is. I'm pretty sure somewhere in my backpack I've already made something for this. Hold on, I might have to go pretty far back. Right here. Go into here, we have read value. We're just gonna take that one because we've already learned how to write a value. That's why they are using not the backslash. So let's just make it the other way around. So now we should be able to read value. And yeah, we're gonna have to do a thing where we will wanna, well, it runs and it creates a new world every time. Because this is how randomized it is. But we're also gonna have to add ors at some point. And yeah. Now how are we gonna add blocks? I guess I would do a scanning system, so we set you to block template. Yes, I know, very creative. We're gonna move it to there, which should be our starting point. So go to here, and we're gonna need to we're gonna move it up a few times. So yeah. How would we do this? I guess we would do a repeat until value is equal to 0. Well, not wait until, we want to do a repeat until. Well, value is until, if value is equal to blank. We would need to somehow, well, we need to repeat until value is equal to 0, and we will run then we will need to read value item 1 of blocks, which we're gonna need to somehow save index output. I am checking through. I believe it's save code we gotta set to. let's set save. What we should save, we should do this here. We set save code to item 1 of blocks, which will change later. We'll read value, and it should, if we open up value, it shows up with blank. Not good. Pretty sure only one of these. Let's switch it to slash instead. Why the hell are you not reading? What of you are you not reading from? I don't want to put that there. I need to find what it is reading from. If it's not save code, then what is it? What was it? I swear it was... Let's just duplicate that for now. You know what? Let's just set it to, instead of save code, we're just gonna and value is still not working. C is not working. What? Why are you not working at all? Save code? So yeah, literally it's not reading at all. All of these are not getting read by... well, save code is, it's trying to read from it, but it's not reading from it. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So we're gonna have to somehow make this ourselves. Well then, how are we gonna do this? I have no friggin' clue. If I was to guess, just need to somehow get it to work. Well, I don't think that one worked at all before, so I'm gonna save this. I'll be back with you once I've found one that works. Alright, I'm back. I found one of the scripts that I used before. This is the data write script that I had. Don't believe it should be this complicated, considering I did it perfectly fine here. But if I delete that and I grab the read script, we got it differentiated here. I'm switching that plus for a slash. Should be able to read. Which, if I do that, I'm not giving it the correct, should be save code, set it to the item 1 of blocks, which it should already have. Sets the save code to it, but it ain't doing shit. What the hell? It works perfectly in the other one that I had. Okay, well, shoot. So I'll just delete that, and delete that. So how am I gonna read it? How the hell? Yeah, I have no clue how I'd read it right now. And it was working at one point. I guess Scratch changed something and it broke it. Well, like it should work. Let's look at the right script and see. Where the hell you put my right script? Like the text. Alright, I guess not. That's not doing anything, but here, if we set it to slash, there shouldn't be any other reference of what was there. Oh. Well, now it works. Oh, wait, yeah. Repeat until value was what again? What was that? Oh, wait, until value is... What was I trying to do here? I don't know. But if I change it to, what would let's just change it to 1. Actually, 11. Okay, you know what? I'm editing this block and making it not run without screen. Refresh, because apparently that works, or not. Okay, what the hell? I think it just breaks. Let's just read value once. Oh, you know what? We're forgetting to reset the save index. Save index to 1. No, yeah, let's just set to not -0. -0 just doesn't physically work. Wait. And then run it. Okay, yeah. So you gotta read value once before you can read it again. And now it works. Okay. Steam Links, fuck you. Stop glitching out. But yeah, now it actually reads it. Read value, and then, well, value is, I guess it would be save. know. Let's just do read value index. Read value in IDX for all sprites, and I'm gonna set that to 0, and then we're gonna set it to save index to 1. Well, not set it to, we want to change it here. Not save index, we want to have it index and repeat value until is equal to y. Current y. Pos min. And that's literally just going to be, that's going to be the bottom of the screen. And yeah, pos min is going to be, let's say, 30. Oh, you know what I was trying to do? I was trying to get, like, whenever it gets to, like, I would assume it'd be dirt. But yeah, y pos min. And I'm not doing it correctly. Setting save index to our it'll, oh, there. So yeah, now it's at 30. You should be able to when is it resetting the value? Add a little bit of a delay here, I guess. 0.01. Oh, you know what? And also, here's the thing. It isn't randomizing it anymore. Or actually, it isn't setting the save code to anything. That's what it is. So, go to variables, scroll down, set save code to, should be item 1 of blocks. So yeah, so value of that, but minimum of 30 here. Maximum 36 or 7, I guess, which should allow us to do that, and let's remove that, and it should work. Which now sets the world values minimum to that. And now we can get to actually drawing the screen. I spent 30 minutes on specifically this. Wow. That's quite a lot. But now I can remove basically all of this and now get to focusing on actually drawing it now. So, create clone. We're going to, actually, no, let's actually do the movement. Like, yeah, it should be here. And then we will use the pen add-on. That's what we need to do. We will need to actually set sprite, well, costume, to, what should we do? What was it again? Value, and then stamp. Somehow it's wood. How is it wood? Is stone currently wood? I think it is. 4. I think it's going off of the actual names, not anything else, so time to move everything down, or actually up. Actually, yeah, you're 3, and that would be 2. Or, you know what? Probably just more efficient to rename everything in here, because let's point and click. Just literally just adding things here. Which now, in fact, yeah, it shows up as the correct thing. Alright, that's what I need to do. What next? Well, next block. So we need to move up by how much? Well, let's do a repeat script here. So, a repeat until equal to 0. I'm pretty sure there's a way to change it to 0. No, okay. Until, repeat until, length of it is actually equal to, like, what would it be? I would assume it would be, it'd be 0. So if UID output is equal to 0, then that'll work. It'll move up so yeah. We'll just need to add this, but we'll also not yet. We'll switch costume to, we need to read it. We also need to somehow, how do we, no, I don't want that. I need to move it up. So 150. $48, $47. So that should just be enough. So how much? So we're starting at 170 minus 133, I'm pretty sure. this works, it should be good. So change Y by 33. Put that there. That's X, idiot. I'm dumb. Oh, 33. And I believe I was mistaken. 23, maybe. Oh, wait, we ain't even clearing the screen. I guess, like, there, we should clear. Oh, wait. Why is it doing that? Let's just do that. Add an extra read valley there. There we go. That's a tree. Now it's time to actually add more terrain. But hey, we actually got that working now. Nice. We also gotta figure out how we're gonna, because sometimes it goes, since it goes to the top of the screen, I don't want it to go that high though. Let's limit this down from to 28 at minimum and 34, which now that looks a little bit better. Not gonna lie, but now we gotta add more. So we're gonna go set the X, because it's currently at, we're gonna have to go back to the X of negative 270, so set X to negative 270, or wait, 170, I'm dumb. 170, and set, and change Y by, wait, I want to set the Y position to, yeah, negative 170, I'm still dumb. 170, and change X by 23. So this works, so yeah, it'll go down there now. We should probably make this a ghost. Actually, no. You'll use the hide command. We will hide it until it tries stamping, where we'll show it. Hide. Show. Hide. Show. Hide. And now it doesn't appear here, but it is still there. Yeah. I'm gonna also need to add a little bit more. So how am I gonna, well, let's just add more terrain generation. But we're also gonna have to limit something by, you have to limit where the actual grass gets placed. How am I gonna do that? Well, this video's been going on long enough. It's almost like 40 minutes now. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you later. Goodbye. It is saved. I don't believe you. I'm still saving myself. Well, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.